Hi, this is the Honor 70 Lite and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open first the box. Let's check. So this is the USB Type-C cable. And let's check this paper box. So here we got the SIM jack tool, warranty card, and the quick start guide. So that's it. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Unfortunately, we have here just any adapters, any protective cases, and the headphones. So all of these accessories, you should buy them separately. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.